Hey, Brock. Can you talk to Grandpa? Can you say hi, Grandpa? I wish you were here. Can you say that? Can you say hi, Grandpa? Hi, Grandpa. No? Let me back up. Result of Mommy kissing Santa Claus. Are you looking at your dad? Can you say hi, Grandpa? Hi,
say
Grandpa. Hi. Merry Christmases.
Yeah. What else you got to say? Brock.
Can you say Merry Christmas, Grandpa? See how big I sit now? 6 months old, I sit so big. Cerberus.
I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, he's sad because Grandpa's not here. Go get Sissy.
Do you want to sing
Sissy
Jingle
can
Bells?
say hi to Grandpa.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Where did Dada go? Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
Hi. Papa needs to smile.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandpa.
Merry Christmas.
Papa.
Merry Christmas, Papa.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here right now. I miss you. Brock, you gotta say hi to Papa.
He's fussing. He's tired. Goodbye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Love you too. Bye.